Turn your attention to the starting line for the top 40 riders in all of the United States. And so it is. The riders are purged on this starting line for 30 minutes plus 2 laps of racing at Lucas Oil AMA Pro Motocross Championships.
It's time to get it on!
They're rough, tough, and they're deep in the stuff. And here comes Filippo.
Here comes Ryan Dungey. He's sideways, he's left, he's right, and here they come. And you can see the many thousands of fans that have come here from all over to celebrate motocross. Oh my goodness, I have never seen a crash like that. And Chad Reed totally got off his motorcycle. I have never seen a crash like this before.
All right, guys, I'm down here in the Makita Mechanics area with Chad Reed's mechanic, and we are watching actually the playback of Chad's crash. Now, Lars, what's going through your mind watching that?
How the hell did he get up?
Ryan Dungey trying to move his way up through the pack.
Filippo getting a little squirrely in the sand whoops, but man, a little side-to-side swap right there.
Here they go, the far end of the racetrack they come. Watch them as they slide and glide through the air.